Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Learning for All. And before you start your journey in IT industry, okay, first thing is that you must understand that which career platform are available for you, okay. And as we know, software industry is booming, okay, in India. So there are a lot of openings, okay, for Java programmer, for Angular programmer, for React JS developer, right? There are lot of jobs, but companies are not getting the people with the right skill set. Okay, so in today's session, basically what I will explain is what is software. Okay, what are the three main part of the software. Okay, like we will understand the architecture of the software. Okay, and then which career platform you can choose. Okay, so let's start it. If you see any software or any web application, okay, Gmail is the web application. Apart from that, if you go for the Access Banking online portal, right, online banking portal, okay, that is also one of the banking web application. Okay, now Facebook also one of the web application. If you go for the YouTube, okay, YouTube also one of the web application, fine, which is having the user interface. Now for example, if you visit my website, okay, crtr4u.com, this is my website, right? So it is also acting as one of the web application. Okay, so every application is having the UI means what? The user interface, right? Now if you check here on this user interface, we have different option, right? About us, then we have contact us, right? So privacy policy, okay, these are the web pages on my web application. So whatever visible to user, okay, if you go to the Axis Bank online portal, right, Axis Bank online portal, if you go, okay, so this is the user interface of the Axis Bank. Okay, so we can call it as a UI. So for every software, okay, there are three layers. First layer is what? User interface layer. This is the first layer. User interface, right? User will interact on this interface, right? It is the user interface layer. This is the first part of every software. Then we have the middle layer, or you can call it like a backend. Okay, second part is that middle layer. Okay, middle layer. Okay, this is the second part, and third part is the database side, DB part. This is the database. Okay, DB layer, or you can call it database layer. Okay, this is third one. So these are the three main component of every software. What happens is that, you know, for example, if you go to Facebook or if you go to Gmail, right, when you do the sign up for Facebook, right, that time what you do is that you fill some form. Okay, you enter your username like this in this text box, then password, then your mobile number, right? You enter your information in the form, and then you submit one button here, right? One button. That button will be like sign up kind of thing, right? Sign up. Sign up will be the caption on that. Okay, so this is the sign up button. What happened is that when I firstly created my account on Gmail, okay, what I have done is that I fill my information like my name, Swapnil, okay, then my contact number I added, whatever, okay, then my hometown, okay, and then I click on sign up button. Okay, so the interface with which you interact, okay, as a customer, because I am the customer for the Gmail, right? I am doing sign up for one of the service of the Google. The service is what? Gmail, okay? Or if you do sign up for Facebook, then indirectly you are the customer of the Facebook, okay? So even though Facebook is not taking charges for that, but indirectly you are their customer, okay? And you are doing sign up on their platform, okay? And they are providing you different services, or they are using your information for some of their personal goals, okay? So this is what user interface layer, okay? The layer with which the user interact. Now this is one of the career platform, okay, which you can choose. You can make career as a UI developer, okay? As a, so career platform one is what? UI developer, okay? UI UX developer, UI UX developer, okay? So if you want to make career in the UI development sector, okay, then you should know some technologies, okay, like basic thing, okay, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React JS, Bootstrap, okay? There are many. Once you start learning this, okay, once you start exploring online, you will get idea of many technology as well, okay? So these are basic things like HTML you should know, CSS, JavaScript, Angular you should know, okay, or React. If you know both, it is also good thing, okay? Then Bootstrap we require, okay? So these are few technologies. Once you learn these technologies in depth, okay, once you learn all these technologies in depth, you will definitely get job as the UI developer, okay? Just learning is not sufficient. After learning these technologies, okay, you must be able to create awesome user interfaces. So see, even if you are from a poor background, okay, even if you don't have any financial support, okay, but still you can easily learn all these things, okay, from YouTube. There are a lot of channels on the YouTube, okay? You just search for the HTML playlist, okay, CSS playlist on YouTube. Search in Hindi or Telugu, okay, or in English, okay? Whatever you want to learn, you just search their playlist, okay, and follow the video step by step. So once you learn this, you will be able to make career as a UI developer. And this is also one of the best career platform. If you like to design interfaces and all this thing, right, then you must think about this as a career option. Now only for one software, okay, only designing UI is not sufficient. Only building the UI is not sufficient, okay? So in backend what happened, you know, when you click on the sign up form, okay, this information will go to the backend layer, or we can say like that, middle layer, okay? Just imagine you went to Facebook, you fill that form, you clicked on the submit button. After clicking on the submit or sign up button, this information, okay, the UI is developed using what? Using UI technologies, right? But after clicking on the sign up button, one event will occur, one action will happen, okay, and this data will go to the middle layer, okay? Now how to build middle layer? So to build this, there are different technologies in the market like .NET or Java, okay, or PHP. These are few, okay? If you learn these technologies, okay, then you can start your career as a backend developer. We can say like that, backend developer. Fine. Java or .NET or PHP. There are many other also, but these are the main, okay, in which you will get lot of jobs in the India, okay, in India. So if you want jobs within short time, okay, then in India there are a lot of vacancies for Java, .NET, maybe PHP. You will not get very high packages, okay, but still that's depend on the skill set. If you know a lot of things about the UI, right, if you are expert in UI technologies, apart from that, if you know PHP also, right, still you can get very high packages. But Java is best for banking industry, .NET also best, okay. So you can choose any one of these three. I will recommend .NET or Java mostly, okay, if you want to go for the backend. Now, once you learn the backend, right, you can get the job as Java developer. Just imagine, if you learn Java in depth, okay, you will get job as a Java developer or .NET developer, and you have to build the APIs, okay, using that particular programming language. And what happens is that, this UI will interact with the backend. Simple funda boss. See, you click on the sign up button, your information will go to the backend layer, middle layer, okay. So here just imagine middle layer is built using Java. So in the Java I wrote the code, okay. My code will pick up your information from the UI, which is coming from the UI, okay, and then I will push that information in the database. So database is something where our information get stored, okay. Just imagine you are on the Facebook, right, there are lakhs of people on Facebook or YouTube. So your information, whatever name, address, your contact number, okay, all these things are stored in the database, okay, and they are stored in the form of the table here, in the form of the table. Name, contact number, okay, we will take only two column here, okay, name, contact number. Swapnil, and contact number will be like 89088, whatever. Fine. So I hope you got it. And database is something where our information will get stored. So there are different type of database software available. So there are databases provided by companies like Oracle, okay. So there is the Oracle DB, Oracle database, MySQL database, there is MongoDB, okay. There are lot of database tools, database software available in the market, okay, but most of the MNCs, okay, most of the companies use Oracle or MySQL. So if you know at least Oracle DB, okay, you can learn all other databases, okay, easily. So at least one database knowledge you must have. And if you want to make career in the database, okay, so you can make career as the SQL PL SQL developer, okay. SQL is one of the what we say, a structured query language, okay, which we use on Oracle DB, okay. So you can get job as the database developer also in IT industry, DB developer, okay, DB developer. So these three layers, okay, are nothing but three career platform for you, okay. If you are beginner, as per your interest, okay, you can choose any one of these three as per your interest. If you like to play with colors, if you like to design user interface, you can go for the UI development, learn this technology from YouTube, okay, or from Udemy, and then apply for small companies. You will definitely get the job if you have the proper skill set. Then if you don't want to go for UI, you can go for the backend developer job where you have to learn .NET or Java, okay. After learning it, okay, you can apply for small companies, okay. So here knowledge is the king, okay. If you have the knowledge, okay, you will definitely get the job, okay. This is the IT industry, and in IT industry you have to prove yourself. Until and unless you are not skillful, okay, nobody will help you here. So this is Java. And then third is what? Database layer. So learn any one database, okay, either Oracle or MySQL, okay, and then start applying for the companies, okay. If you are expert, you will get the job. Sometime what happen, sometime because of some percentage criteria, we don't get job in the MNC, okay. So at that time, what you can do is that please go for a startup, okay. Work more on yourself. Identify that whatever startups are there, okay, in your city or nearby to your city, and what they require, okay. So as per requirement also you can prepare yourself, okay, and you can get the job. It depend on your priority. So these are three career platform: UI developer, backend developer, or database developer. Now if you become expert in all these three, okay, just imagine you work in IT industry for 20 years, okay. In that 20 years, if you work on all these things, okay, and if you are expert in all these things, okay, then you can what we say, get position as a, what is a, full stack developer, okay. So the guy who know all these three things, okay, can work as a full stack developer. So guys, I hope you got it. Today we understood the basic architecture of the software, okay. We understood that there are three main layers of any software, okay. Front end, middle layer, and database layer, right. And in these three layers, in these three part, you can make your career either separately also, and if you know all these three, you can be a full stack developer also. Now where to learn this thing? See here, everything is available on the YouTube free of cost. You have to take some effort for searching, okay. So if you are ready to put some effort in searching, right, just go to YouTube, search for, if you don't know English, right, search there that Oracle DB playlist in Hindi. You will get lot of things, okay. Now I don't think that I should teach you searching here, right, but if you go to YouTube, right, if you go to YouTube, what you can do is that you can search like here Oracle DB, okay, playlist in Hindi or Tamil. See, you got it, right, you got 34 video here, then here you got 33 videos, right. So you can just learn this thing. See, if you check here, we got 203 videos here, okay, by Basha, Oracle 12c. So this content is more than enough, okay, for a fresher to get the job in startup company, because startups will hire you based on your knowledge. Now see, if you want to learn Angular, right, then what you can do, Angular playlist in Hindi. See, we got it, right, 66 videos are there, then 86 videos are there here, Angular 6, Angular 12, right. Apart from Angular, if you search for UI developer playlist, front end developer playlist, right, see, we got it. Learn what matters, HTML, front end development. If you check here, web development course, we have 58 videos here. Then see, we have the complete front end web development course, there are 70 videos. So guys, you have to search, okay, you have to put some effort in searching. Nobody is going to, what do you say, teach you all these things. You have to learn on your own, even though if you join IT industry tomorrow, right. So once you join IT industry, that time you have to learn on your own as per requirement, okay, and then only you have to work. So this is one thing. Don't go for easy way, put some effort on learning. Once you learn, you will get lot of jobs. There are very high packages, okay, which IT industry can give, okay. There are many people who are getting a lot of packages, even fresher also getting nowadays 15 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 25 lakhs, right, based on the skill set. So if you don't get campus placement, still you can fight, still you can get good job and high salary, but you have to put some effort in improving your technical skill. So thanks a lot. I hope you got the basic things, okay? And if you have any question, you can comment below. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care and bye bye.